Mainstream food channels show a lot of popular Bengali dishes from West Bengal. I believe there are a lot more recipes given to us by our grandmothers which are lesser shown, lost, or dying a slow death. My endeavor through this channel would be to showcase such culinary treasures while trying to make a conscious effort to keep them alive. Today, in the chilly winter morning in Delhi, where it is still dark at 7 am, my mother in law, half asleep but for the love of sun, decided to make Sheem Korua, as they call it in Sylhet, whereas my maternal family calls it Sheem Paturi. How we are all divided by geography but united by food. The same dish is called by different names as the geography changes, but the taste remains the same. One thing I have learned since the time I've started cooking that there is no right way or wrong way to cook a dish. All it takes to make it better is just a little bit of love in it. It took about 15 minutes to get this dish to completion, and don't forget to add a pinch of sugar at the end, which I missed to film. And with this, my husbando's dabba is packed with side of his mother's love.